Hello, my name is Darek. I'm the production director on Pack 1 in LGe너지솔루션. I want to show you today how looks our day in work, how we cooperate, what we produce here. I hope will be interesting for you and please enjoy the trip. Let's go to my office. Now we are going to the office area. I will show you how looks our workplace from the inside. Say hello.
Hello.
Process is here. Say hello. Hello. Okay, we are going to the production area. Eva, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, I will show you right now my office space, my office. Behind me you can see the two TV screens that we monitor in the real time all results from the production lines, so we know everything what's happening and what is going on the production line. Okay, right now some of our main jobs is take care about his safety here, and our main job is to take care about the quality of our products to satisfy our customer, and we are fighting with the problems each day, and our main job is to secure the problem, prevent the problem and solve the problem if it appears, and to make this kind of system that this kind of problem never happen again in the future. So it's the main job of my team and engineering team and our staff which are take care about the production in this building. Sorry, I have a meeting for 10 minutes, so I must prepare some materials right now, so sorry. Okay, right now we have a production meeting. I will introduce my team. This is my team. Say hello.
Hello.
Positive.
Hello!
Okay, we start the meeting right now.
Na drugą zmianę, z Marczelą to już jest dogadane, więc teraz linie stoją. 4:0.
Okay, thank you for this meeting. Thank you very much. Yeah, let's go back to our normal daily business. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, meeting is over. Right now we are going to the daily production tour, and please follow me to the production lines. Hello, welcome on the production. This is a beginning of the production line. Behind of me you can see the robot which is working together with our employees. The robot is one of our employees. You can see behind how robot is working and put the modules inside the welding machines. This is a station that we check and make a leakage test. After this final test, that we have a station that we make a labeling process, and it's ready for the shipment for our customer. So this is the last step of our trip. I hope that it was interesting for you, because for me it was very interesting. It was for me the first experience with this kind of video log. A little bit stressful situation because I not do this each day, but it was very, very interesting, and I hope you enjoy. From now on, I must give the camera for the last runner. I'm going to Namgyu office, business management team leader, and I give him the card for the last runner. This is Namgyu.
Hi.
Hi. This is your card.
Oh, thank you. 꼬리에 꼬리를 부는 릴레이 투어 LG에너지솔루션 폴란드 릴레이 투어의 마지막 주자로 선정되었습니다.
How are you feel?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
I'm too. Yeah, it was the first time that we are doing this kind of.
Yes, I will try to my
Please
best.
don't worry. The first hour
I'm
is
very worried.
first hour is the worst one. Yeah, the later will be much more better. Yeah.
I'm last runner, so
You are the last runner. Yeah.
thank you. 네, 안녕하세요. ESWA 경영기획팀 이남규 팀장입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 제 책상에는 뭐 크게 다를 건 없고요. 랩탑, 모니터, 마우스, 키보드, 영양제, 그리고 많은 사무용품들이 있습니다. 좀 지저분하게 보이기도 하지만 저한테 다 필요한 것들이라서 이렇게 좀 사용하고 있습니다. 밖으로 나가서 저희 전체 공장에 대해 소개해 드리도록 하겠습니다. 자, 출발해 보겠습니다. 저희 공장은 세계 최대 규모의 배터리 공장으로 걸어 다니기 힘드므로 저희 전기차를 빌렸습니다. Hi Patrick.
Hello, hi. Yeah, my name is Patrick. I am working in LG에너지솔루션 almost 1 year, and I really appreciate it. Yeah.
이제 그러면은 출발해 보도록 하겠습니다.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hi Patrick. 자, could you introduce this admin building?
Yeah, of course. We are at the front of the administration building. It's the one of the most important buildings in our company. It's brand new and it's designed friendly environment inside.
지금 이 빌딩, 이 건물은 고객들이 와서 사용할 수 있는 건물로 얼마 전에 리모델링이 됐고요. 그래서 저희 공장의 메인인 건물입니다. 다음 장소로 이동해 볼까요? Patrick, just let's go to the next place.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
네, 지금 비가 많이 오는 관계로 밖으로 나가지 않고요. 지금 저기 폐기물 창고 앞에 도착했습니다. 폐기물 창고가 어떻게 생겼는지 잠시 제가 차 안에서 돌려서 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 네, 이게 지금 저희 폐기물 창고인데 아직 출하나 입구가 이쪽에서는 보여지지 않고 있습니다. Yeah, Patrick, did you know that this warehouse is the biggest waste warehouse in Europe?
Wow, I didn't know about this.
Yeah. But I'm not sure, but I heard that this warehouse is the biggest waste warehouse in Europe.
Wow.
Yeah, we have it.
That's huge. Yeah, that's huge.
Okay, so
Really nice.
자, 이제 다음 장소로 이동해 보도록 하겠습니다. Patrick, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
저희 러닝 센터 앞에 도착했습니다.
Yeah.
Patrick, we are in front of a running center, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Please
Yeah.
explain the running center. What is running center?
Oh, this is the place where our employees can get a training, can get a knowledge, can spend the time. We have here 12 classes. We have gym, fan zone, canteen, coffee. So this is a place designed for training, for spend really good time.
So have you ever take a class in the?
Yeah, of
This
course,
center, yeah?
of course, several times. I can
How is it?
definitely. Oh, perfect! Because we have a whole department here who is like prepared for training us. They are searching for training that will expand our experience. So I can definitely recommend it to our employees. Yeah.
이 러닝 센터는 저희 임직원들의 교육을 위해서 지어진 곳입니다.
Yeah. I want to add that this huge benefits for
So let's go to the last place.
Yeah.
Okay,
Last
so-
place exactly.
Okay, let's go to the last place. Okay.
Yeah,
Go.
exactly. Let's go.
Let's go. 지금은 러닝 센터를 한 바퀴 돌아서 마지막 장소로 이동을 하고 있습니다. 저쪽에서 보이시는 Emergency Response Center, 저희 통합 방재 센터입니다. 통합 방재 센터는 작년에 준공을 시작하여 저희가 소방차 한 대와 구급차 한 대를 보유하고 있습니다. 저희 회사에서 긴급 상황이 발생했을 때만 이용하는 게 아니라 회사 밖 지역 이렇게 긴급 상황이 발생했을 때에도 저희 회사에서 저희 에너지솔루션 폴란드 법인에서 그 재난 상황에 지원할 수 있게끔 프로세스가 구축되어 있습니다. 지금은 저희 공장의 거의 중심부라고 할 수 있는 마지막 장소일 것입니다. So can you take off? Yeah. Here is the last place.
Exactly. Yeah. This is basically the center of the whole factory.
C2라고 보이는 저 빌딩은요, 셀을 만드는 공장으로 셀이랑 활성화를 하고 나서 다시 저 팩2로 가서 팩2 빌딩에서 모듈 팩을 조립하는 공정을 가지고 있습니다. 이 뒤는 이제 저희의 카고 게이트입니다. 물류가 일어나는 카고 게이트고 많은 트럭들이 왔다 갔다 출입을 할 수 있는 곳입니다. 자, 그럼 마지막으로 여기까지 저희 전 공장에 대해 전반적으로 소개를 드렸고, 다음으로는 처음 인사를 드렸던 어드민 빌딩 앞으로 가서 마지막으로 인사드리도록 하겠습니다. Patrick, can you go to the 어드민 빌딩?
Yeah, of course. Let's go there.
예, 그럼 출발하도록 하겠습니다.
Yeah.
Yeah, just we come here.
Yeah, exactly. We came to the place where we begin, to the admin building.
Yeah, so I want to know how was feeling today to introduce our factory.
Oh, it was really nice because it's nice to show what we've got here, what we can offer, and the place we are working.
Okay, today, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you later.
See you. Bye.
Bye. 공장을 한 바퀴 돌아봤는데요. 저희 회사를 소개시켜 줄 수 있는 기회가 있어서 너무 영광이었고, 처음 시작했을 때와 달리 지금 하늘이 너무 맑습니다. 빨리 퇴근하라는 하늘의 신호인 것 같고요. 그럼 이만 저는 집으로 돌아가 보도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.